Morning guys, it's fucking freaking in the morning. It's like just 7 AM, we just had breakfast, and in the meantime we are in Valladolid, which is in Yucatan. We are very south now. We were before Merida, but I didn't film much because well, not much going on. We did couch surf and just hang around with the couch surfing host, and it was pretty cool actually. But yeah, we didn't do any sightseeing or shit like that, so there's not much going on. So Valladolid. Valladolid, we are here for one reason, and that is Chichen Itza. So we're going today there. It's going fucking crowded, it's going fucking packed, but it's gonna be fucking epic. And it's one of the new 7 world wonders, so we are fucking keen. Keen. Heading now to the bus station, and hopefully we can catch the first bus to there, and avoiding the tourist ways. Hopefully it will work out, man. So that would be perfect. Gracias. Gracias. So we now in Chichen Itza. It was a 30 minutes bus ride, and now going in. Keen, pumped, stoked. Moose, what's going on? What's going on, Moose?
Oh, we're just buying a ticket here.
Yeah.
Chichen Itza.
How much is it?
242.
242?
Yeah.
Pricey, huh? Ew. So it's still pretty quiet, which is pretty good. Not so many tourists. Only thing, it's kind of pricey. It was like almost 250 pesos, which is 25 euros. No, 15 euros. That's alright. Yeah, 15 euros. Yeah, looks cool. Very quiet. There in the front is already the big pyramid.
Put the banana in your mouth, Julie.
So guys, behind me you can see a cenote, which used for the sacrifice. It's a little bit outside of the area, and yeah, crazy, like all of that bodies get thrown in there. Bam! So it's also crazy, you can see the ring there. It's like a basketball court. It's an old game from the Mayans. And the crazy thing was the winner got killed, and they wanted to win because they were so proud, like an honor to sacrifice. It's insane. So in the meantime, we left Chichen Itza. Don't get me wrong, it was cool. It was pretty impressive, the ruins and everything, but I was kind of disappointed. It was I don't know. Compare like to Taj Mahal or Machu Picchu, it's like a joke. I don't know why it ranked to some world wonders. And what really fucking annoying was like on the way through the ruins, they're like street stands and vendors all the time and trying to sell some shit. And it was fucking annoying. But yeah, it was a ride, but I don't know. It's sort of must do, I reckon. I think the nicer Mayan ruins, less money and definitely less crowded. Right now, we headed to cenote, which obviously is supposed to be the best cenote in whole Yucatan. So it's gonna be sick. They're like every year also Red Bull cliff diving. So it's gonna be cool. We're leaving also now. Cenotes. It was pretty sick, but we came to the right time. Now it's fucking crowded, man. You have to get in line to jump in the water. It's insane, but what do you expect, man? It's sick. Anyway, trying now to catch a bus back to Valladolid and back at the hostel and have some dinner. Yeah, I don't know yet. Just trying to get home. So we're stuck on the side of the street almost 1 hour already. Waiting for a bus, but it doesn't show up. It sucks. It really sucks. I don't know. There's some taxis, but they're charging way too much. Fuck that. Not good. So we finally figured it out and jumped in the fucking Colectivo and now heading finally back to Valladolid. You can see when a local is ordering food like me and a gringo like Moose is ordering, he gets this little shit thing. Oh fuck, I forgot to continue filming and but anyway we didn't do so much like this day so far. We just had the siesta very long and played cards and went for dinner again right now, and now we're heading to bed anyway because tomorrow I'll wake up early again because we're going to finally going back to the beach. We're going to Isla Mujeres. It's gonna be sick.